pupil. A teacher had 500 students in his Gurukul. When his daughter reached her youth, he wanted to marry her to one of his students and decided to test who was genuinely good and suitable amongst them to take care of his daughter. He called his pupils and said, "My dear students, I want to get my daughter married to one of you. I don't have enough clothes and ornaments, so I want each of you to get some clothes and ornaments from your relatives' homes without anyone seeing you take them. I will accept only those clothes and ornaments that you bring without being caught." The students obeyed their teacher's instructions and went to their respective relatives' homes. They brought the clothes and ornaments from there as they had been told. Every one of the pupils brought back something except one, who returned empty-handed. The teacher called him and asked, "My dear son, did you bring any cloth or ornament?" The student said, "No, sir." The teacher wondered and asked him, "Why not, son?" The pupil replied, "You would not have accepted anything that was seen by anyone. I couldn't find any secret place where no one saw what I was bringing." The pupil then went on to explain, "Even if no one else was there, I was watching myself taking the ornaments and clothes, and my conscience didn't allow it." The teacher was pleased with this young student's honesty and goodness. He said, "My dear son, I have all the money and ornaments for my daughter's wedding. I was just testing the morality of my pupils so that I could marry my daughter to the suitable one. I have decided that you are the right match for my daughter." Then the teacher married off his daughter to this student. To the other pupils, he said, "You may take the money you brought back to your homes." My dear friends, no matter how many troubles you have got in your life, or the perfect situations where human cheat come in your life, one should always be righteous and truthful. Because even if nobody is watching, we ourselves are always watching us. Just like the pupil in the story. My dear friends, keep this in mind. One who follows the right doctrine succeeds in life for sure. That's it for today. If you like my stories, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I believe constant motivation keeps you going and helps you achieve your dream goals faster. Thank you so much.